Baby's breath, also known as Gypsophila, is a beloved plant cherished for its delicate, airy clusters of tiny flowers. Originating from Europe, Asia, and North Africa, this versatile plant has over 150 species, with the most commonly used being Gypsophila paniculata and Gypsophila elegans. It typically grows up to 2 feet tall and produces small, white or pink flowers that bloom in the summer. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, baby's breath has practical uses. Its long-lasting blooms make it an ideal filler flower in bouquets and centerpieces, while its ability to thrive in dry and sandy soils makes it a low-maintenance option for gardens. It's also increasingly popular in weddings and home decor, adding a delicate and romantic touch to any event. When selecting a baby's breath variety for your garden, consider factors such as climate, soil type, and intended use. Gypsophila paniculata is celebrated for its hardy nature, while Gypsophila elegans offers a more fleeting but equally charming display. Caring for baby's breath involves providing adequate drainage, regular deadheading, deep but infrequent watering, and occasional fertilization. These tips will ensure your delicate baby's breath plants thrive and continue to add beauty to your garden.